This dance is called Young Again. It's a 48 count, 4-wall, improve a leather line dance with 1 tag and 1 restart. Starting off on our right foot. Step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn left, into a cross shuffle, right foot leading, cross, side, cross. Hinge half turn, so we're going to turn to our right over 2 quarter steps. So first quarter you step the left back, the next quarter you step the right to the side. Add on another cross shuffle, left foot leading, cross, side, cross. That section once more, half on the right. 7, 8, steps, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle. Remember on that hinge turn, it's 2 quarter turns. From here, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. On the and count, you're going to bring the feet together, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, another side rock on the left, recover the weight on that right, sailor quarter turn. So with your sailor quarter turns, you're going to cross that left behind the right, making a quarter turn, right to the side, left to the side. So that last section once more is just an our left cross shuffle. Rocking to the side on the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, rock, feet together, side, behind, side, rock, sailor, turn. I'll go through all the counts at the end. Add those 2 sections together. Step pivot off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, rock and side, behind, side, rock, sailor, step. This next section, nice and easy. Step the right forward, touch that left just behind the right, shuffle back on that left, back shuffle, step back on the right, touch the left just in front of the right, shuffle forward on the left. So let's add that to the top. Right foot leading, step pivot, 7, 8, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, rock and side, behind, side, rock, sailor, turn, step, touch, back shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle. Okay, we're going to make another quarter turn. So step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn left, into a syncopated jazz box. So we're going to do effectively a jazz box, but the timing is going to be slightly different. So it's cross, back, side, cross, and then we're going to the side. So there's the pause is after the cross. Cross, slight pause, back, side, cross. So that's where your syncopation comes in. Step the right to the side, add on, sailor quarter turn. So you're now facing the back wall, hopefully. So that last little section then. Step pivot off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot into your syncopated jazz box, cross, back, side, cross, side, sailor, step. Let's add that to the top. Only a little bit left. Off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, rock and side, behind, side, rock, sailor, step, step, touch, back shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side, sailor, step. From here, nice and easy. Shuffling forward on the right, to the right diagonal, so right shuffle forward on the left to the left diagonal. Step, pivot half, so we step forward, so you square yourself up to 12 o'clock, so you step forward on the right, pivot a half turn to the left, step forward on the right, pivot another quarter turn to your left, so you should now be facing 9 o'clock. So that last little section, shuffle forward on the right, 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. I'm going to add the last little bit on because it's not very difficult. It's just a straightforward jazz box, cross, back, side, but with a cross on the end, rock to the side, rock back, end of dance, start again. So that last little section, that jazz box and those 2 rock steps. Off on that right, 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, back, rock. Let's add that to the top and go all the way through. Right foot leading, 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, cross, shuffle, side, rock and side, behind, side, rock, sailor, turn, step, touch, back shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side, sailor, turn, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot half, step, pivot quarter, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, back, rock. And you start again with your step pivot into your cross shuffles. Okay. So that's your dance. So let's have a go with the counts, so you can see how it all fits in with the timing. Off on that right foot, step, pivot, cross shuffle. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hopefully you can see how it's going to go together. So it's 4-wall dance. Let's try the other 3 walls, and then I'll tell you about the tag and the restart. Off on that right foot. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, rock and side, behind, side, rock, sailor, turn, step, touch, back shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back side, cross, side, sailor, step, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, back, rock, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, cross, shuffle, side, rock and side, behind, side, rock, sailor, step, step, touch, back, shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side, sailor, step, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, jazz box with a cross, side, rock, back, rock, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, rock and side, behind, side, rock, sailor, step, step, touch, black shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back side, sailor, turn, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, jazz box with the cross, side, rock, back, rock. that's your dance and your walk through. Now one tag followed by a restart. So that makes the restart a little bit easier already. So the tag comes on wall 5 after 16 counts. It's nice and easy. It's a rocking chair. So wall 5 is back when you face the front. So as soon as you get back here, you know you're on the wall with the tag, and therefore also the wall with the restart. So go up to 16 counts, put that tag on, so you can see where it comes. Off on that right foot, 7, 8, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, rock and side, behind, side, rock, sailor, turn, tag, rocking chair, start the dance again, step, pivot, cross shuffle. So that's where it fits in. I'll shout it out when we get to it, but let's give it a go to some music.
I can hear the music from the bars out in the street. I got a neon rhythm in my hands and in my feet. Dancing here with you and the way you look at me. You set fire to the moon, there's nowhere else I'd rather be. And every song we're singing about us. This night can last forever, but it won't be long enough. Cause we're drunk on love and whiskey shots. So what the clock says morning, and we'll raise a glass to the wild and free. We will never be this young again. We will never be this young again. Those 20 in the jukebox playing DJ for the night. Got some friends in low places helping us get high. Yeah, the morning's coming quick, but we got time to steal the kiss. It's like the best nights of our lives are gonna all go down like this. Drunk on love and whiskey shots. So what the clock says 2 a.m. and we'll raise a glass to the wild and free. We would never be this young again. We will never be this young again. Every song we sing out of tune and out of time. We're just getting started, we're calling closing time.
Rocking chair.
Cause we're drunk on love and whiskey shots. So what the clock says 3 a.m. and we'll raise a glass to the wild and free. We will never be this young again. Yeah, we're drunk on love and whiskey shots. So what the clock says 4 a.m. and the sun will rise long before we sleep. We will never be this young again. We will never be this young again. We will never be this young again.
Hope you managed that one.